Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, and today I am going to reveal my secret tools that I use most often when creating games. Most of these tools are completely free and open source, so the only obstacle is the learning curve. The order of the tools does not matter. Each tool is useful in its own way. Let's begin. The first tool on our list is Audacity. Audacity is an audio editing tool used to edit audio files. It's one of the most powerful tools when it comes to audio editing. Additionally, it's free and open source, which means you can use it completely free of charge. I always prefer open source tools because they provide equal opportunities to everyone. Whether you want to modify the pitch, tempo, or remove spaces, you name it. Everything is possible in Audacity. Now, the second tool on our list is Krita. I typically use Krita for digital art. It's an alternative to Photoshop. If you're frustrated by Adobe's monthly subscription plan, then Krita is the right tool for you. It's completely free, and you can do both raster and vector-based painting. The raster-based tools in Krita are similar to Photoshop, but the vector tools are not as advanced as Photoshop. However, they are still quite usable. If you don't want to pay for Photoshop, then Krita is the right tool for you. The next tool is Blender. Unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably heard about Blender. Blender is the free and open source 3D creation tool. It supports the entirety of the 3D pipeline: modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositing, motion tracking, video editing, and game creation. Blender is cross-platform and runs equally well on Linux and Windows. I highly recommend you to use Blender if you're an indie game developer. Blender has no price tag, but you can invest, participate, and help to advance Blender. Next up is Mixamo. Whenever you see smooth animation in any 3D indie game, they're probably using Mixamo. Mixamo is an open animation library of different humanoid animations. You just have to upload your humanoid model to the website, and you can export it anywhere you want. If you're diving into the world of pixel art game development, Aseprite is hands down one of the best tools in your arsenal. It's designed specifically for creating pixel art and animations, making it a go-to choice for game developers and pixel art enthusiasts alike. You can use it on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It's got all sorts of handy tools like layers, frames, and support for making tile maps. And plus, you could even script stuff using Lua if you're into that kind of thing. Aseprite is actually a paid software, but here's the cool part. Its source code is available on GitHub. And so, if you're up for it, you can build it yourself and enjoy all its features completely for free. If you're in search of a versatile 2D level editor for your game, Tiled is definitely worth checking out. It supports editing tile maps in different projections, like orthogonal, isometric, and hexagonal. And plus, you can freely position, rotate, or scale images, and even annotate them with various shapes of objects. Tiled is actively developed and supported by donations, and it's compatible with a wide range of frameworks. And personally, I find Tiled to be a more flexible option compared to Unity Tile Map. If you're keen on importing your maps into Unity, there's a fantastic asset called SuperTile 2 available that simplifies the process of exporting your tile maps into Unity, making the integration seamless and straightforward. It's a real game changer for Unity developers looking to incorporate tiled maps into their projects. When it comes to crafting dialogue systems for my games, I rely heavily on Inkle. Inkle's dialogue system allows to create immersive and interactive narrative experiences that keep players engaged. Its versatility is unmatched, making it a go-to choice for projects of all sizes, from indie gems to blockbuster AAA titles. If you're passionate about weaving interactive stories into your games, Ink is a tool you don't want to miss out on. When it comes to animating 2D elements like flags, clothing, or paper without relying on bone structures, my preferred choice is Spoky Ghost. Spoky Ghost offers a robust set of features for creating procedural animations for your sprites. With Spoky Ghost, you have the flexibility to animate a wide range of properties such as size, rotation, position, and color of your sprites. Additionally, you can deform their shapes to achieve unique effects. Once you're satisfied with your animations, you can easily export them as single frames or as a single comprehensive sprite sheet. Best of all, Spoky Ghost is completely free and open source, available on GitHub under the MIT license. It's a powerful tool that empowers creators to bring their 2D animations to life with ease and flexibility. These are some of the tools that I use for making games. And comment below yours, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.